So here we have one of the finest homemade motorcycles available to the average civilian.
Yeah, it's useful for, I do like 20 clicks a day on it, at least. And we take the cover up and you can check out what you can do with a weed whacker.
Yeah, fine unit there.
It does 32 clicks. This comes up and down off of this handle here. Watch the motor. See? And there's the wheel. Can you see the wheel?
Yeah.
Come around the other side. Okay, the wheel's going up and down on the tire. That's how you get it started.
The clutch.
Yeah. You got to see it run.
Fire it up.
Alright. It's a two-stroke and it takes a bit of warming up, so I'm going to have to put the choke on.
Yeah, you got a regular Harley there.
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, take off. Let's just turn it on the motor. Oh.